Hi, everybody. I'm Professor John Dyson, and I'll be instructing you in your classes, both Pharmacology 2 and Gerontology, over the next 16 weeks. I look forward to working with you. We've got a couple of things that will be different because of COVID. Are you tired of hearing that? I know I am. Anyway, because of COVID space requirements as explained below there, our class unfortunately cannot meet the full group of 41 students, nor can we find enough times for having two groups of like 20 and 21 students. In fact, the largest room that we have available left is going to house 17 to 18 students at the last I was told. As a result, the university wants us to have a face-to-face experience as much as possible, so we will be doing the class in a combination of both face-to-face and polysynchronously. And what that means, just to clarify then, is that part of the class will be actually in the classroom and part will be online. And we're going to rotate that through every time, so hopefully you'll have a chance almost each week at the very worst of getting together and having a chance to be part of the actual class there. But you also will be a part of the class when you're attending polysynchronously. This means you do need to attend Pharm at 8 o'clock, and you do need to attend pharmacology at 10 o'clock. All students are going to meet at those times. I know when you had to sign up there, they were reversed there, but all gerontology class will be at 8 o'clock in the morning. All pharmacology 2 class, regardless of section, will be at 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll work through some things where we're working on some projects, doing some activities, reviewing some case studies. And for those of you that are on Zoom, likely we'll have you break into some breakout rooms to work on your part of it while the people in the class are working on their part. And then we'll come back together and go over things in class, and we'll end up having a good experience. That's my goal for you there. So we'll talk more about that in our first class on Monday, but just wanted to make you aware of that thing. Now, the first class, it's real important. Everybody comes to Zoom. There's a Zoom link that I have posted there in with that announcement. Click on it. Make sure that you see the Zoom link and are able to access it. You can practice it if you want, that's fine. But make sure that on Monday morning, the first class, everybody goes to Zoom and joins in. I look forward to meeting with you, and I think we'll have a really good class. I've heard a lot of good things about you, all of you, from Professor Vernon, and I really look forward to taking the next level of classes for you. Just think about that. When you're done with this semester, you're half done with nursing school already. That should be exciting. We'll see you then. Thanks a lot.